The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, it is 8 o'clock. Today is Monday, June 13. Good morning, good morning. Well, it should be good because I just turned the sound on. I didn't have the sound on earlier. Coming into the session, we're getting beaten up pretty good. NASDAQ is down, call it 370. ES off 95.6. YM down 600. Everything is red, fellas. No, good morning, Peter. No need to go through it. The only green on any, and I follow 50 or 60 stocks, a number of futures. The only thing that is green, corn and wheat are green. Good morning, Hubba. Scott, good morning. Corn and wheat. Other than that, it is a sea of red at the moment. Set Beer, good morning. Good morning. Guys, today is, of course, Monday. And this could be the day. Let me just look at the VIX really quickly. Let's see if we're crawling near. Let's see if we're getting anywhere near 40. Your data feed is reporting 7 seconds delayed. Yeah, I'm going to go over some stuff, guys, so bear with me 1 second. VIX futures are up 19. VIX cash is up 19.5% at 33. VIX futures are only up 7% at 31 and change. Only. Guys, if you have not done so, and I addressed this last week, you are rolling to September. We are not any longer trading the June contract. The volume is now in September. While the June contract is still viable until Friday, we are trading September. Hard to believe. We're already trading the fall contract. In any event, we do have a few trials. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. We appreciate you being here. This is going to be what I suspect is going to be a very volatile week. CL didn't roll, big guy. No, you don't watch. I'll address that in a second. It's created some frustration with me, Billy, and I'll get on with that in a second. Let me do this. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. Let me get that out of the way. I like when I can find it quick. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Trade according to your own accounts. Trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, fellas, let's go over. First area of support is going to be 25. 25. Then 20. Then 11. 25, 20, and 11 on the NASDAQ. Come on, don't be bashful. And we got 28, 29. Come on, give me 25. Next 10-minute bar will probably dump it. If it doesn't dump on this. You need to take that swing at 26 half. Big bid is at 38.10 ES. They'll press him to 30. They'll press this to 38.10 to get that. We'll see if he just jumped. He's jumping. 93 contracts to buy. 85 to sell at 17. All right, fellas, time for Red Bull. Give me a second. Good to go. Now a coffee chaser. We're good to go. Small net sellers in the NASDAQ. I mean, it's not egregious yet, but one minute to the next 10-minute bar, and I think that does it. We failed the bottom of the 10-minute cloud. So 25 should come. If you're trading multiples, 11 and then 9. $22 buyers, 12 buyers, 11 buyers. Small stuff, guys. 1 contract, 2 contract trades. Let me take a look at this YM. YM is also, they all look the same. YM, ES. ES has support and we'll have to break down below 38.10. Chris, you have to request me on Skype. I don't send out requests, guys. I'm not in any trade, Dan. I don't. You know I don't do a lot of. I don't. I'm not a big pre-market trader. It's coming down. It's around. Yeah, I liked it above 07, but I missed my own trade. Par for the course. Come on, break, snap this little swing here, and you'll get your 25 target one. We've got sellers stacked in balance. 14 net buyers. I mean, this is. Come on, Oompa Loompa. Just take that swing. $15 sellers, 14. I mean, this is. We've only traded 600 cars, fellas. 620. There's no volume. Come on, 25 target one. I have no bots on, just so we're clear. YM would have triggered a short. Come on. 9, 8 net, but there it is. 27.75. Come on. Holding small support on the 10-minute. 26.75. 26 and a quarter. All right. I'm off by 5 ticks. 5 ticks on infinitesimal volume. It's going to trade less than 1,000 contracts, guys. It's not there yet, Ray. It'll be there today. Come on. There's 25. All right. And a quarter. I got 25. 25. Target hit. Anybody take the short? Anybody take it? Target hit. Next target down is going to be 20, 11, and then 9 on the NASDAQ. ES broke 10, came to 9.5. It's really got to break this area. We trade down to the volume point of control and then value area low. Guys, if you would give me 1 minute, I'm just going to get coffee. There's no way I'm taking any of these bot trades. Let me take a look at a small. I got to adjust a couple of charts. All right, we got 38.10. It looks like we could push up to 12. We're setting up to come down on crude, or at least a pullback. NASDAQ, I've got nothing. Buyers in the ES, let them buy them. Let's see if we can get through 38.20. There is a long on the ES right here, trying to set up here above 14. It's that swing there and maybe into 20. NASDAQ looks like it wants VWAP again, which isn't much higher. There's VWAP on the NASDAQ. Let's see if we can come back down through. I'll take a short if we get over and above. We're green delta on the NASDAQ. I'm not taking these bot trade longs. I'm not taking any of these longs. I don't do these ginormous candles. Looks like we're going to trade up into that hourly at 20 on the ES. I don't think we can get much through 20 on the ES. Offers at 19 and 20. All right, watch for the failure on the NASDAQ below VWAP. Candle close below VWAP. NASDAQ could trade 688 if we can get above VWAP and maintain that. ES couldn't get to 20, 18.5 at the moment. Watch the candle close below VWAP. All right, guys, here's your short coming. Short NASDAQ, short NASDAQ, short NASDAQ. Here was your short on the NASDAQ here. And your stop is 74. We just need to break back down below 54. There you go. If we get down, target number one is going to be 41. 41 target. Target one, 41. 41 target hit. We hit 40. Now it's a free trade. Free trade. Okay? Free trade. Stop is at break even. Let her rip. Final target 506. Break even stop if you've got multiples on. Come on, get down below that point of control. 506. Stop is break even. You should be out. Still coming lower. Everybody good? Nice job, Greg. So here's the deal, fellas. Those of you guys that are working on a funded account, if you passed on that trade, I can't help you. Right? If you have an STD, I can't help you. If you're scared to death to trade, I cannot help you. So it's a waste. Anything I do is a waste of your time. Right? Because that's all we're going to do in the afternoon or in the next session. I'm going to give you the trades as I see them based on order flow. So if you hit $300, nice job, Steve. Chris, great job. Greg, nice job, fellas. If you guys decided or elected to pass on that trade, okay, well, you have then a stop. I don't know what you're using for an ATM, but it's too dang small. Again, Saturday's education. Know your market. The NASDAQ is clipping right now at the open. Right, but the first thing we do is move stop, not target. We move stops first, not target. All right, fellas. If you guys have a stacked imbalance, and again, at least you took the trade. I'm willing to bet at least one of my kidneys, half the guys that are unfunded did not take that trade. I'll bet kidneys. It was too fast. I was in the bathroom. I didn't see it. I didn't hear it. I mean, again, I've been doing this a long time, fellas. Let's look for another breakdown. Okay, Josh. Well, again, I already know. Okay, Sepir. Nice job, fellas. If you took the trade, good. The bot trades would have worked. So I'm going to turn my bots on now. Okay, my bots are on. Okay, including gold. Crude, you can forget. It's unless the crude decides to roll over. Yeah, I'm still here, Greg. And I looked away for a second. And guys, again, if you guys order flow, you should know this. Easiest trade we do. And I missed it. I'm looking now for a push down to 506. Nice job, Sabir. Nice job. Here we go. 506 is where this is coming. I'm telling you where it's headed. Yes, we didn't quite get to my 20. I should have shorted it up here at 19.5. Close enough for hand grenades, idiot. 506, that's your target. So reading between the lines, that's your opportunity to sell. When I set it all the way up here at 44, 506, maybe 505. ES back at the low of the day. Awesome, Melody. Dow's down 630. Here we go, fellas. Oh, you're not going to give me 505? 505. 505. Target hit again. Boom. I wouldn't be out. I'd be running them. Brother, we are trading into hell. We're going to see the lows now at 460, I would think. ES at the low of the day may have put in a new low. I'm not really watching the ES. New low on the ES. Anybody take that follow-up or subsequent short, fellas? Anybody take that subsequent short? Okay, Veronica, Robert, nice. Marcia, nice. Okay, John. Everybody should be done for the day, fellas. Look, my job, my goal, right? I can trade all day long. At the open, when it's highly volatile, nice job, is to get you guys into the trades. Something filled. ES filled on the bot. All right. So the first thing I have to do, I have to look at my position page, right? So one of them got filled late. That's my position page. Come on, yes, sell them off. Don't be a chump. It's only 3.5 handles. Let's go. Come on. Sell them off. Oh, I hate that. One tick to target. It may have even hit target. It hit 94.75. One tick to target. One tick to target. Okay, I'm out. Target filled. Now I got to check my position page. They're all closed. Okay? All closed. So there's my first bot trade. Okay? I told you guys I was turning them on. Anybody take the bot trade? Anybody? My bots are on. Okay. All right, fellas. Still think we need to tag 90. We've got 92.50. Okay, exited early past your daily goal. Cool beans. That's what I do oftentimes. So again, guys, just because I'm just took bot, got one. Okay, nice. I only have one contract on, guys, but I'm trading funded accounts. So here's the deal. Here's the deal. For those of you that are newer, okay, my goal or job at the beginning is to get you guys into these easy peasy trades, or what I view as easy trades. Okay? I can trade all day. Just because I may not be in a trade is utterly irrelevant to your success. My goal at the beginning, initially, is to get you guys green before I trade. Okay? New measures to prop up the lira. My daughter, who lives in Turkey, is loving it. Let's see here. Let me check my option positions. Give me uno momento. Hit daily goal. You're welcome. Nice job. Woo! Killing it today. Yeah, baby. Let's see here. XLF 132 last price. IWM 680 last price. FedEx 477. I'm still underwater in FedEx. That's okay. And AMD, I'm in the money on AMD. There we go, baby. Sell them all to oblivion. All right, guys, let's get back to the task at hand. Hourly resistance, guys, and it's probably 240 as well because I've got 1, 2, maybe not 3 candles up there. All right, Pete, done for the day. Nice job. Anybody hit their daily goals yet, fellas? I'm turning off my ES bot. I'm turning off ES bot. It is off. It is off. Gold is a waste of time. You're not going to get a reversal ahead of FOMC, I don't think. You can turn gold off. I'm turning off YM. The only bot I have left on, I have crude on the original settings. I have NASDAQ on, and that's it. Up 1,200 for the day. Nice job, Marcia. Yeah, whenever we're above VWAP, it's a good trade, or we always take that trade. Same with a sell below VWAP. You're short again, NASDAQ. Short again, NASDAQ. Target number 1 is going to be 36. Because I don't want longs, Ed. Come on, 36, target 1. Yeah, there it is. 36, target hit. We got 34 half. Free trade again. Free trade again. Stop at break even. Always break even, guys. We got target 1. Here we go. 506 is your target again. Maybe 509. 509, call it. Stop is at break even. Nice job, Ray. Up 14. Hundo. There we go, guys. All right. All right, Rich. Nice job. 509, final target. 509. Come on, Ratbag. Up 395 on 2 combines. Nice job. Good job, Robbie. You're at your daily goal. All right, Paul. I'm over here on the sidelines begging to get put in the game, fellas. Come on. Stop us break even. If you're in the trade, 509. I'm trying to make you guys money first. I've got all day. If you guys are down, you're not. Nice job, Harold. $600 over daily goal. All right. All right, Josh. Guys, if you listen and pay attention to what I'm, sharing, you guys will make money. It's simple. Easy peasy. Nice job, Frank. Up 555. Jeff has hit daily goal. Just hit daily goal, George, at 775. Nice. Is there anybody not making money yet? If you are, you're passing on trades. Guys, let me just say this about trading, right? Nice job, Robert. Hit daily goal. Here's the deal with trading. Since we're not position traders, right? We are not position traders. And we care about what happens in the next 20 seconds or 2 minutes or 3 minutes. We may take some losing trades. And then if we need to reverse, we reverse. That's what we do, right? We're not in this for the next 3 months. I mean, unless, I have option trades that are out to September, but we're not in this for 3 months. So if the NASDAQ is up or down 200 points today, it affects us. We are going to take losing trades. It's the nature of the beast. If you got lag, there's nothing you can do. All right, my 509 target's been hit. Another winner chicken dinner, fellas. Easy peasy. I don't like this NASDAQ short on the bot either. I'm passing. I'm turning off my NASDAQ bot. I have no bots on. Well, that's not true. I have the 3-minute bot on. You're listening to your lips to your ears. You're done for the day. By the way, just got, okay, Melody, glad you're back and you're okay. I have no bots on, guys. Other than the NASDAQ on the 3-minute, which I'll take. I'm watching. I don't like the 10-minute. The 10-minute to go into a full-blown sell mode really needs to come down below 490, and it will blow out. NASDAQ is just kind of chunking around here, picking up some sellers, and then we've got some buyers. All right, you're up 575 in both your funded accounts. Nice job, Chad. Let's see where we're at, fellas. NASDAQ down 350, ES off a hundo. YM down 630. EMD, Russell down. Gold off 40. Handles. Jeez. Silver getting smashed. This $21 level on silver is an interesting level. We're just above that. Crude is up 40 cents. I'm sorry, down $1.55. Natural gas is up 40 cents, and I missed another natural gas. Okay, Isaac. The only thing red is wheat. I mean, green is wheat. Okay, Chad. Guys, if you're done, don't forget to send me totals. Make sure you denote if it's a funded account or if it's a combine account. This NASDAQ is reluctant to blow out, but she's gonna. So if you need trades, pay attention. I want to get down below my 68 here. Nothing I can do for you, Mark. Email Joel. That's a technical issue. I'm a technological moron. The only way I could help you is I'd have to find a 7-year-old in the neighborhood who could probably explain it to me. Get ready for a short. Get ready for a NASDAQ short if you need a trade. Yeah, I've told you guys the story about me and technology. For those of you that are unaware, when I was in grammar school, and I'm older than many of you guys, when I was in grammar school, they told me if I didn't learn the metric system, I'd probably never be able to function in life. And they were wrong. They lied. So when computers came out and they said the same thing, I figured, they're 0 for 1. They don't know what they're talking about. I'm not going to learn this computer crap. So they're betting 50%. I'm watching a 1-minute chart, guys, for a short. A 1-minute chart. We're just kind of chopping around between the 68, but we have a rising 68. We're setting up for lows. I'm looking for a stacked imbalance, but it's got to be a continuation trade down here. NASDAQ on a 1-minute chart is floating. We could break back up to 43 or break straight down. My money's on short. My money's on short. We only have 800 sellers, almost 900. It's not huge. Short would be below 506. That 509 S2 pivot is acting as support. On the long. Yeah, I didn't have it on. All right, we're starting to fail. Watch your delta. Get below the 68. Here we go. Unfinished auction, it's gone. All right, guys, you have a NASDAQ short 503. I will turn on my stacked imbalance down here at 501.75, give or take. A lot of support down here. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Just roll over and die. This 1 minute's just chopping. I'm watching a 1 minute, guys. I think this is just accumulation to go much lower. ES is on the, nope. ES almost rolled. Crude is 120, just hit 120. Told you we're going back to 120. Gold is trying to get a small bid, but You know, that could be lazy with FOMC on Wednesday. ES looks like it wants 50, 43 to 50. I don't have a trade, so sit tight. Yeah, we're probably going to trade back to VWAP, give or take. No long. I don't have a trade. Turning over again. What is DEO? Feds are going to raise at least a half a point on Wednesday, if not 3/4, which is what they're talking about. NASDAQ is a short. Come on, get down here. Below 12, I think we come down. What was this entry here? 14. If you guys want this short here at 12, it's your short. There it is. With a target one at maybe 6.5. 6.5. This damn 09 is still. We got a minute and a half to the next 15-minute bar. Come on, NASDAQ, get down here. Guys, I'm looking for the short here at 0175 on a stacked imbalance if you have the auto aspect. If you took the 12 short, your first target is 6, maybe half. Look at this thing just floating here. Come on. All wicks. That negative delta is hanging out in the same area. I still like the shorts, guys. I don't have us in longs at all. We didn't get 6, but we got 8. I'm not taking the YM bot long. Let me look at it again. Hang on, guys. Good morning, John. Are you just getting in, John? No, it's coming down, Rick. It's coming down. If you guys ever have a question of a stop, you need to ask. If I don't give one, that's because I'm trading the direction and the delta. I'll tell you when to get out of a trade. I'm not interested in the longs. I don't care what they do. ES is holding value area low, needs to break down below 96 to get us to that 90. If there's a long, it's at 90 on the ES. Come on, you pain in the neck. The only way I'm interested in a potential long is above VWAP. All right, guys, I have shut all bots off. All bots are shut off. We're just chopping around. This I'm watching it on a 1 minute, and it's just junk. We're basically wedged between this 09 and VWAP, give or take. We've pulled the 68 up. It's just a function of time before this rolls. Qs aren't going anywhere. SPYs aren't going anywhere. We're not going anywhere. We're shorts, guys. We're short. Here we go. There's finally that damn 06. All right. Stacked imbalance is on. All right. There it is. Come on. Oh, you scumbag. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give me that target. Don't be a chooch. All right. Got target 1 filled. Now I'm going to get that out of it. No. And let me close this. Let me check my positions. I have no positions on. It ended up a losing trade or a net loss. Yes, Caleb. Let me look at this on the bigger time frame, guys. Yeah, if we get down below 91, that swing there, this is going to get smashed. I'm going to hit the stacked imbalance again. Come on, get below 9. Here it comes. Come on. Nope. Get below that standard deviation. Let's go. We're at 1,300, 1,200 almost and change on the negative delta. John, I'll come back to that. First off, I don't have a monthly room subscription. I don't offer a monthly, unless you're already a member. I will send out follow-up emails to all trials Monday through Thursday, and that'll explain your options for membership. But I do not have a straight monthly subscription. All right, guys, sit tight. We're just chopping around. Let me see if I can do anything with this ES, guys, because the NASDAQ is just a pain in the neck. Stack buyers on the ES, higher lows. Your Ninja froze? I mean, that's par for the course with Ninja, right? NASDAQ, right? We're just chopping now, guys. We got great moves early on. Now we're just chopping around. So be patient. Be patient. Nice job. Actually, the NASDAQ bot trade did get first target, it looked like. I have no bots on, guys. Again, recognize your market. We're chopping around on every time frame, even on a 1 minute. I can't even trade a 1 minute. It's given me nothing. We could break up if we get above 52, but we trade into VWAP at 56 and resistance. I got to stay with shorts. I have to. Below VWAP, negative delta. Going to get another short here at 22 or below. Let me see here, guys. Yeah, below 22, maybe 21, 20. It looks like we're trying to push up, but there's just no trades here. Unless you guys like crapshoots. Let me take a look at some other stuff here, guys. This is giving me this thing is making me nauseous. Watching this NASDAQ back and forth. Gold, I have nothing. Crude, I have nothing. Natural gas, we missed our trade. YM, I have nothing. Short is below 22. Here. There's your short. It's going to be a small winner. Maybe back to 9. We're just sitting on this dang pivot. We can't get away from this pivot. Here's our ES. We broke 92. I think we come 37, 40, 20 to 40 now on ES. SPYs and Qs are now both selling. NASDAQ's off 350 now. ES is off 102. YM down 630. AMD off $5.50. FedEx off 4, almost and a half. Here we come, fellas. Come on, sell off to 60. Up to 1,400 net sellers. I think this is the calm before the complete. We hit this day low, guys. They're going to smash it. Smash it. We have 2 today, fellas. 2 more funded traders. Before long, you'll catch with that buy cycle. Yeah, that bunch of hucksters. They took a shot at the wrong guy. 11.75. Still didn't get 10. Got a bid here on the ES, but I wouldn't touch it. Come on, 10. Come on, baby. Guys, I'm telling you, chickens are coming home to roost today or this week. This could be a brutal, brutal week. AMD is at 88.50. 3 trade sessions to blow that stock up. 3 sessions. Let's take a look at some stuff here, guys. Here's FedEx. Really need FedEx to sell off into 195 to give us really nice stuff. Got to get below 200. It's hanging on by a thread. FedEx. This is the one. You know, Tesla now is looking for another 3-for-1 stock split. I mean, such a gimmicky crap, right? Tesla's well below $700, probably heading into this low here, and I would think Tesla breaks 600 bucks. AMD. Here's AMD on the daily. You know, I probably should have added NVIDIA. AMD is overextended on the hourly, but I would say AMD to me looks like we're going to see 85, 80. And if we can catch this low, this 83.27, I think AMD can trade 75. I mean, listen, long, you know, IRA kind of money, you got to own NVIDIA and AMD. You have to. The 200-week moving average is at 67 bucks, call it. I don't see any scenario. I mean, I can't say that. I don't currently see a scenario where AMD trades at $67. If it does, you would have to be utterly insane not to own AMD at 67 bucks in an IRA or a long-term account. Same with NVIDIA. You know, Microsoft is another one. Microsoft is still a little pricey, but we are sitting now on the 100-week moving average. No, that's not Microsoft. MSFT. I'll buy Microsoft all day at 26 bucks. How much can I get? Yeah, Microsoft is actually, I don't think it can get above 262 now. And the path of least resistance is probably going to take Microsoft down into 236. You have support here on the weeklies at 236. Looking for a short again? Man, these are 1 minutes, guys. This is a 1 minute. We're getting a little bit of a bounce on the 1 minute. So what I'd want to see, like for the YM on the 1 minute, is a move back above the 52 period here. Okay, Jeff. Well, hell, brother, you don't need my help. And then a roll back down, which would take it into 628. NASDAQ can trade back 467. I don't think it does, but it may. We got, looks like we got 12. I didn't get my 10, so I just missed my 10 by 8 ticks. Still nice trade. Guys, if everybody's green, I mean, I'm slow rolling it now. There's no reason to put on excessive risk. Thank you, Jason. Right? Kenny Rogers, fellas. Know when to fold them. You made your money. No need to push it. There's no reason to keep putting on risk. Daily targets on 5 combines. Nice job. Let me look at crude. I'll tell you what I see on crude. Yeah, definitely. I would buy crude 118.35 maybe. 118.35 to 42. That's the little range. 118.35 to 42, which actually lines up with blues down here. Still too high to buy. Made your goal on 2 combines. Nice job, Rich. Okay, Rich. Guys, I have just under 300 people in this room. Is there anybody that is losing money? Is there anybody that is not making money? NASDAQ back down to a small negative delta of 800 and change on the contracts. Yeah. The money will come, John. The money will. We rarely. It is a rare day when we don't make money in this room. It is an anomaly. If anybody would like to know where the market is headed, Jim Cramer is starting to buy stocks. Sell every damn thing you own. Because he is the world's biggest contrarian indicator alive. $38.50. Hang on 1 second. All right, let's see what you got here, Prag. Just curious. You have a lifetime license on Ninja and use their order flow indicator, but it shows, Ninja's order flow. Ninja's order flow indicator is complete garbage. For those of you guys that are wondering, my order flow indicator, guys, this was built for me. This is mine. This is not a third party indicator. Give me 1 minute, fellas. If you didn't trade or couldn't trade, there's nothing you can do about that, right? If your platform had issues. Everybody's good. All right, guys. Good. Boy, gold has been walloped. Short at 411. Yeah, I would short 403. I don't think you're going to see it again. Not before we leave the room. I mean, honestly, the net negative delta is not that bad. It's 950, just under 1,000 contracts. We could get to 440. I don't think so, but anything's possible. If you guys have not received a link from me for the group that I'm working with at 11:30 this week, you are not in the group. You will be in the group next week. I can look and see if I sent you one. But, again, just to reiterate, guys, the group that's meeting today and will meet this week, let me see if I got you in there, Frank. I don't know if you made it in this group or not. I had so many emails come in. I mean, it was almost disheartening to see what came in. I couldn't get you in this group. I'll do another group next week. If you guys are not going to take trades in the room, I don't know what you're doing coming in at 11:30. Seriously, I would have no idea what you're doing, because it's going to be the same thing as what I'm doing here, only with a smaller group. So I'm not going to be teaching, just so we're clear. I'm not going to be teaching you order flow. I'm not going to be teaching you anything. I'm going to be calling trades and giving you options for trades, or suggestions for trades, as I do in this room. If you're not taking the trades in this room, why would you take them at 11:30? And then if we make money at 11:30 and you decide to take a trade at 2 o'clock and screw your account up, one, I'm throwing you out. I'm not working with you. I cannot fix bad habits. Only you guys can do that. If you don't send me your daily totals every day, no, it's for members, John. So I've gotten funded over the last 4 weeks, over 100 people, right, in a funded account. I'll presume that you know what a funded trader account is. So I set out a goal 4 weeks ago that I was going to get anybody that wanted a funded trader account funded, right? The goal is many. Okay, Jeff. And I've got over 100 funded, which total almost 400 combined accounts. Okay. There are some that, for whatever reason, have totally screwed up. I've got guys that were funded or guys that were close or traders. I'm not trying to be gender specific. And they do stupid shit. Pardon my French. They just do stupid shit. Overtrade. They're up 300. They want to be up 500. They put on 7 contracts when they should be trading 1. They trade at times they shouldn't trade. So I offered to work with, those traders, and I thought we'd have about 20. And as it turns out, I have almost 50. So I'm doing 2 groups. And, when I say working with them, it is merely an extent. Ordinarily, I close the room at 11 o'clock. I go to the gym. I get my workout in. I come back and I have a 1 o'clock group. And, I'm giving up my gym time to try to help people get funded. But the thing is, the hour that I'm giving them at 11:30 is no different than what you're seeing here in the room right now. No different, right? It's going to be primarily order flow trades, unless there's a bot trade, a robot trade that presents itself, and we'll take it. But if people, there's no way that you cannot pass a damn combine from 8 to 11 in the morning in this room. There's no earthly way. Okay. What happens is, and I'm speaking to John, who's a trial, and several other trials. What happens is, many people in the room, many traders, one, love to cherry pick. All right. Now, with complete candor, I am a pretty damn good trader. I'm pretty good. But people will second guess me. Oh man, Bob's saying NASDAQ's a long. Shit, I don't want to take NASDAQ long. And it goes 80 handles, right? Because too many people like to read publications. Well, Wall Street Journal says we're going lower. JP Morgan said we're going higher. I align with higher, so I'm not taking any shorts. Blah, 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 right? And guys will cherry pick. And I'll take a NASDAQ short or a NASDAQ trade and make 200-300, and they've passed on the trade. I'll take another NASDAQ trade and they'll pass. And then I don't trade the ES. I don't trade crude. I don't trade this. I don't do that. I don't blah, 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 blah. I cannot help those people under any circumstances. I can do nothing for those people. So if guys are going to come in at 11:30, we're going to work together this week. This is not going to be a perpetual thing. This is going to be 1 week with this group, 1 week with another group next week, and we're going to get them funded. Or, again, but I have very stringent rules. 1, if you don't show up, you're out. If you don't send me your totals even 1 day, you're out. I'm not going to micromanage anybody. If people aren't responsible or to be held accountable, I'm throwing you out of the group. Right? I'm giving up my time to help God, and I always will give my time. But again, it's not going to be anything different than what you've seen in this room every single days of your lives. And the reason that the majority of people who are not funded do not get funded is because they themselves are their own worst enemies. They're overtrading. They might be up small. They're trying to squeeze it out. They take a trade. They're down small. Then they start doing stupid stuff. They go full tilt. 10 contract trades, 8 boom, blow up an account. I have put together a very methodical way to pass combines. I myself am working on 9 funded accounts, right? I have 5 that are passed and cleared, and I have another 4. 2 will be cleared today, so I'll have 2 more that I'll be trading tomorrow. I have to trade Tuesday, Wednesday for another, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for another. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of this week, I will have 10 funded accounts, period. So when I look at my Dom and I'm only up $200, well, that's at the moment, but I'm up $200 right now across 5 accounts, each account. But again, my goal, my job is to get you guys into the easy trades the first 10 or 15, 20 minutes. I can trade all day. I can take a trade and grab $200, and I've exceeded my daily goal at any point today, literally. At any point, I can find a $200 trade. So I worry about you guys making money first, and then I try to get into trades. Guys, it's 11 o'clock. I'm going to wrap it up. I will see all of you tomorrow, 8 a.m. My 1 o'clock guys, I'll see you in 2 hours. Those of you that are with me in 30 minutes, I will see you in 30 minutes. If you do not have a link, and you don't have a link in, spam or junk, then you're not in this group. Okay? So don't email me and say, I didn't get a link. If you don't have a link, you're not in the group. You'll be in next week. I'm going to do this for 2 consecutive weeks. Okay? Be blessed. I will see all of you tomorrow.